Hello guys and welcome back to yet another video, and in this video we will be talking about Instagram automation. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I have been putting posts related to student problems, the problems which students face, and I'm trying to provide solutions. I'm trying my best to bring out solutions on that. So I posted 9 posts in the past 9 days, and my posts exactly come out at 8:30 p.m. every day. So the people who noticed it asked me about how do I manage to publish a post exactly at 8:30 p.m. every day. I have scheduled all the posts previously, like I schedule around 15 days of posts previously, and then I start creating new content whenever I have free time, and I also schedule them for the upcoming days. So that is how it all works. I don't manually go post every day because writing captions and hashtags for each and every post and exactly publishing at 8:30 p.m. is not very feasible to me. And secondly, the thing is why I chose 8:30 p.m. is that is when most of my followers are active on Instagram. So one more thing is that Instagram algorithm works in such a way that once you start uploading continuously at one particular time every day, Instagram understands that it has to show your post to your followers exactly at that time. So whenever you guys are active and my post comes out at 8:30 p.m., Instagram automatically pushes my post in front of all your feeds, and that is how I get so many likes and also a bit of engagement on my posts. So in today's video, I'll be guiding you all in how you can also automate your posts on Instagram. So let's get started. So basically there is an app also from which you can schedule your posts and upload on Instagram, and there are many apps in the market which ask money from you to schedule your posts, but people don't know that Instagram or Facebook itself has their own automation system. They have a website, they have an app. I'll make sure I'll put the links in the description below so you can download the application, but I prefer the website is more convenient if you're using it on a laptop. So right now I'll be showing you, I'll be scheduling a post and showing it to you all. So let's get onto a computer screen. So you'll have to go to creator.facebook.com, and once you're on that page, you'll have options here. You can see Facebook over here and you can see Instagram over here. So I have right now opened the Instagram page, and from here I can create a post. So I have an option here to create a post in IGTV or Instagram feed. So I'll be revealing my tomorrow's post to you all, but once I click on Instagram feed, I'll have this dialog box here. So I can add my video, photo, whatever I wish to upload on my Instagram. So I'll just click on add content and from file upload. So once we get into here, I have all these options. So I'll be uploading this photo. Then I'll just click open and that photo will be here, and then I can write a caption. So right now I won't be showing you typing a big caption here. I'll be just putting out a few lines. So I just put this out, and now it's time for me to schedule the post. So you can see a publish option here in the bottom right corner. So just click on the arrow mark beside it. Once you click on that, you'll have a schedule option here. So if you click on schedule, you can just select the date. So today is 5th of September, but I want to upload it on 6th. So I'll be typing 6th of September here, and the time is 8:30. So I'll be putting 20:30 over here. So once I do that, I can just click on schedule, and the post is now scheduled. So this is how I have scheduled all the previous posts also and the future posts also. So automatically when it is the time, like I have selected 6 September and the time is 8:30. So automatically Instagram will post that particular photo on my Instagram at 8:30 p.m. So this is a tutorial, guys. So I guess you might have learned how you can also automate your Instagram and upload photos. You can schedule your photos and upload them on Instagram. So this is not for all the people who are like the people who don't upload often, they upload once in a while, but this is for content creators like me who try to create carousels, who try to create posts which add value to people, and we need to upload daily, right, so that we can have a good interaction and engagement with people. So it is very much necessary for all these people, because it is a very hassle to upload each and every day, and typing the entire caption and going and uploading at the same time. So this is a very easy way by which you can start uploading on your Instagram. You can schedule your post, and accordingly the post will be uploaded by the Instagram. So if you have liked the video guys, if you have watched till here, make sure you like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll be providing more such content to you all in the coming future. Thank you.